Hello, welcome back on my channel. Today to show you this how to repair the wire this electrical outlet, and let's turn on your power and let's plug your bulb. So let's just the plug and just turn off and then put the on off switch. There you go. Then let's plug this off. Let's take off. Okay, so the gate ready to go. The first step you need is shut off your power circuit breakers off. Okay, let's check in my tester here. Okay, it's no power. Okay, the power is turned off. There you go. Okay, so first step you need to take remove your plate. Okay, next remove your plate. Take it off. Okay, slide your plate off. Okay, let's take remove the screws and take remove and take the power shut off, and then take remove the screws off. Okay, and take it off the screws. Okay, okay, the take remove. Okay, remove the screws. Next, okay, the take remove the screws off. Take it off. Okay. Okay, the take the screws to take off. Remove. Okay, the power is off. Okay, and the take remove the wire. Okay, so take off. Okay, take off the wires down. There you go. Next, take your pliers and just take your pliers here. Then connect the trace, repair the wires, and then trace it out. There you go. Okay, to use the take a light tester. Okay, this goes to white or ground wire. There you go. First step, then install put your outlet here, screw and the screw into wires, tight the set screws, and then put your screw into wires is connect to wire, and the tight set screw and the wires is connect. There you go. Okay, the tight the set screws and the tight, and then okay, the tight set screws. Okay, so next it tight set screws. Okay, the tight the set screws. Okay, screw the box. Okay, next the tight. Okay, and attach your screw electrical box. Next, put your cover, snap. Okay, and get ready to go. Okay, to get ready to turn on power back on. Get ready to go. Okay, see it works. Okay, get ready to go. Next, plug your lamp, chest lamp, plug your light. Okay, turn it on. Okay, turn on. There you go. Let's turn on the lights. There. Okay, there's how to repair this. Okay, this is how to repair the wires, this switch and outlet, and see you next time.